Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to do reading for 8 sign Gemini, your person current feelings and actions, and this reading is from June 21st to June 30th. So this is general, may or may not resonate to everyone. So let's see your person current feelings towards you, Gemini. Okay, let's see your person current feelings. Hermit, 8 of Cups, 2 of Wands. Lot of readings got this card, Hermit. Thinking. Spiritually awakening also Hermit is, but not taking action. Definitely one person is walking away in this situation. There is separation. So your person thinking about separation a lot, or thinking about you a lot, 2 of Wands. Your person could be Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio, or Aries, Leo, Sag. 5 sign could be. Definitely your person is thinking about you a lot. There is long distance relationship between, it could be long distance relationship also. Yes, they are thinking about separation. So I want clarification cards for 2 of Wands. Why is here 2 of Wands? Clarification card for 2 of Wands. Okay, clarification cards. This deck, clarification for 2 of Wands. Wow, maturity, 10 of Pentacles for 8 of Cups. Experience, 3 of Wands, completion, the world. Yes, definitely some cycles are going to be end. 3 of Wands, I think this could be long distance relationship. I already told, waiting. One person is waiting for the other person. He is thinking about a lot rather than taking action. He is waiting for you, make a move towards you first. Maturity, yes, he want to offer stability to this connection, 10 of Pentacles. So he is thinking about, thinking that you make a first move towards them. So let's see your person near future actions towards you, Gemini. Your person near future actions towards you. Definitely they want this connection turning on. 4 of Cups. They're feeling very sad for the missed opportunity with you. Ripeness, 9 of Pentacles. Postponement, yes, they are waiting for you to make a move towards them, because postponement they want. 4 of Swords. So they are thinking more. They are in thinking mode right now rather than taking action towards you, because they are waiting for you to make a move towards them. So 9 of Pentacles. So they are feeling like independent. They're thinking you will come towards them. So they're feeling very sad for the missed opportunity, but they are waiting. So let's pull some cards from universe for final message, Gemini. Flowering, yeah, Queen of Pentacles. New vision, Fool. Yes, they want new beginning with you. Sorry, new vision, Hangman. So they are in stuck mode right now. Silence, the Star, and the last card, letting go. Yes, 2 times 8 of Cups. Letting go means 8 of Cups. Definitely there is separation. And new vision means Hanged Man. They are in stuck mode. They are thinking a lot. Silence, the Star, but there is a hope. They are hoping for the best. They are hoping that you are coming towards them. And Flowering, Queen of Pentacles. Yes. Right now they are concentrating on their career. 9 of Pentacles here and Queen of Pentacles. Until you go towards them, until they will concentrate on their finance and careers. Definitely they are hoping for reconciliation with you, but you have to move towards them. So this is the reading for you, Gemini. Hope it resonates to you. Please do share, like and subscribe my channel. Please do support me, guys. Bye.